What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life on a Ford Edge. I'm going to be doing it on a 2017 Ford Edge here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So we're going to do it all using these buttons on the left-hand side of the steering wheel here. The first thing you want to do is press over to the left. And when we do that, it's going to take us to this screen. Then we're going to scroll down until we get to the settings menu, then press OK. Then once you have vehicle highlighted, press OK. Then we're going to scroll down until oil life reset is highlighted. Press OK. Now it's showing, mine says 88%. Obviously yours will say wherever it's at. But to reset it, we're going to press the OK button and hold it down. So press that button and hold it down. And then as you can see, it reset to 100%. Pretty simple. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.